Hi everyone, welcome back again. In this video, we are going to explore some properties of inequalities and understand how to use them. Firstly, let's talk about some logical comparison. If A and B are any real numbers, then one and only one of the following is true. A is either smaller than B, A is equals to B, or A is greater than B. Similarly, if A, B and C are any real numbers, and if A is smaller than B and B is smaller than C, then A has to be smaller than C. Logical, isn't it? Let's look at how this is shown on a number line. Next, if A, B, C are any real numbers, then A greater than B is equivalent to A plus C greater than B plus C, also known as the addition property. And A minus C is greater than B minus C, known as the subtraction property. You can think of this as both numbers moving up or to the right of the number line together in the case of addition, and moving down or to the left of the number line together in the case of subtraction. What about multiplication and division? Well, take the case of A greater than B. If both sides of the inequality is multiplied by a positive number, say 2, then the inequality remains. 2A is greater than 2B. Similarly, if both sides of the inequality is divided by 2, then the inequality should remain as well. A over 2 is greater than B over 2. Let's substitute 2 by an arbitrary positive number, say C. You can then get to the following property. A times C is greater than B times C. A over C is greater than B over C, where C is a positive number. Things are a bit different when C is a negative number. Think of it this way. 4 is greater than 1. When both sides are multiplied by negative 1, we will get negative 4 on the left and negative 1 on the right. What is the comparison to be made then? Yes, negative 4 is smaller than negative 1. Hence, the inequality changes to be negative 4 smaller than negative 1. Similarly, when both sides are divided by negative 2, we will get negative 2 smaller than negative half. So in general, if the inequality A greater than B is multiplied or divided by a negative number C, the inequality switches, and that is denoted by the change in inequality signs. So here are the basic properties in summary. Given that A is greater than B, for addition property, A plus C will be greater than B plus C. For subtraction property, A minus C will be greater than B minus C. When C is positive, the multiplication property states that A times C will be greater than B times C. And the division property will be such that A over C will be greater than B over C. When C is negative, however, A times C will be smaller than B times C for the multiplication property, and for the division property, it will be such that A over C is smaller than B over C as well. Understanding how to read these properties will help you in tackling the questions and scenarios in the segments to come. In the next segment, we are going to start solving inequalities using what we have just learned. It's going to be fun. I'll see you in the next video.